Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're here at Alliance, right here in Elkhart, Indiana. Now they've got some beautiful rigs here set up for us to video, and we're going to get started with this one. But before I do, I'll tell everybody, Amanda did not make the trip with me, but I do have a great person holding the camera this morning, and that's my brother Jeff. He made the trip with me. Jeff, say hello to everybody.
Hello everybody.
All right, so let's get started. This is a 2027 Alliance Paradigm, model number 382RK. So let's get started. The length on this Paradigm is 41 feet, 41 foot, 6 inches. The dry weight is 14,812 with a hitch weight of 3,035. So before we get started, let's go over here and look at this pass-through storage over here, Jeff, and we'll show everybody what this looks like. As you can see, you've got all your, you can show, you got your awning buttons. All this stuff is right up in here. Oh man, this is really nice. What do you think, Jeff?
Pretty good.
All right. Over here, we do have propane, yes, over here on this side. And then we'll walk around here to the other side. You can see you got all the storage, got the Kirk Helix pin box. Here's the storage up front, prep for a generator, and where your batteries will go. All right, we are so glad that Alliance has allowed us to come up here and video. And we look over here, we've got the manifold where if you have a leak, you can cut it off right here. Great looking storage. There's your water heater. All right, you can see they've got the Kirk suspension. And here's another dump station right here. There's your spare. And a little storage over here on this side. Great looking rig. These are the 2027 models. All right, let's go in here and take a look at everything. There's your kitchen, living room. And we'll go through the bedroom and your bathroom with your walk-in closet. Now, all right, we'll start back here in the kitchen, Jeff, and we'll just start opening up some things back here. Wow, how about that?
That's bigger than my house.
Yeah, I'm telling you, how about that? Side-by-side fridge with your pull-out drawers, cabinets, all the way around. I like this big window back here. And you have a little garbage chute back here. And more cabinets. Goodness gracious. Soft close hinges, that is really sharp, and a big microwave. Big oven, I think we can cook a turkey in that.
Yep.
And we've got all the drawers back here. Solid surface countertops. Nice drawers. Another spot there. And then if you come on around, Jeff, we can show some of this right here. And a little spot here under the sink. There we go. All right, and if you get turned right around, we're going to look at the pantry. How you like that? That's all right there.
That's what my wife needs right there.
That's right. You got your dinette, your table, your chairs. All this seating, I mean, wow. Got pull down shades. Lots of great seating in here. This is really sharp. I believe we can live in this. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Cabinets, 50-inch TV, sound bar.
TV comes with it?
Yeah.
Man.
And the ceiling fan. You've got already 2 ACs in here. And then, if we go over here, we've got a cabinet. There's all your controls. Place here to even hang up jackets if you need to. And a half bath. Let me get in here and open this up. Got a mirrored medicine cabinet.
Just a half bath?
Yeah.
And you got a shower?
Well, the shower's up front.
Oh, okay.
This is just a half bath. All right. And we got one more cabinet right there we can open, if you can see that.
Yep.
Okay. All right, well, let's move up to the bedroom. Woo! King size bed. We've got some storage under here. We got a little sitting bench right here with some storage. Got some hidden storage up here. And you got all of these drawers. Think you can pack enough stuff?
I believe we can.
And you got all of these drawers. Another TV. Looks to be about a 32-inch. That's kind of what it looks like.
Yep.
And then in the bathroom. Whew. Nice, still solid surface countertops. You got access right there. A couple of drawers. And spot under the sink. Even more drawers over here. And mirrored medicine cabinet right here. I like the 2 windows on each side. And then you got this huge shower. I don't think I have a problem. Not at all. And I think it looks like a 30 by 48 shower. Now we've got sliding access right here. And check out this front closet. Washer, dryer already hookups back here. Then you got all this for shoe storage if you need to. And then all the way to the hanging bar. And you got your little hamper. All right. What do you think?
I like it.
He likes it. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, thanks to Alliance for having these set up. And goodness, we will keep doing a few more around here and see what they got. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.